Assalamu alaikum. Today is 30th June 2025. The time is 4:25 p.m. The market opens in 4 minutes and we will be trading Meta. Meta is a stock in play today because Meta is trying to raise funds 29 billion to uh, develop and improve its AI research. That has, I think, propelled Meta forwards. If you look at the 1 day graph, Meta is trading towards the highs. It has beaten previous high of 741 and it's trading at 746. The pre-market is showing bullish signs. It is it opened at 740. It rallied to 750 and it is trying to stay in that range. Our plan is to enter at 741, 742, stop loss below 740, and hopefully take some longs on Meta because the market is showing bullish signs as well. So on the whole, the trade is going to be very simple. Trade the highs, focus on a long, nothing too complex. But let's wait and see. There still are 3 minutes left for the market open. I'm going to review, just get my settings in order, and I will see you at 4:30. Okay, the market has opened, and I want to take some longs, but okay, wow, I was able to log in 100 long. 742 was good long, and we need to take another long. Really, 371? Wow. What entry did I get? I have what 742.8. I got an entry at 743. So the next one I'll try to enter using limit orders by 1, by 100. This is where I wanted to enter. Okay, it instantly got triggered. So it opened with a bearish tone, with a slightly bearish tone. If we go and take a look here, what is this telling us? This is telling us it was sold very strongly right at the open. I think because it's making a new high, it needs to accommodate all of the bearishness. And in the immediate next candle, it digested a lot of the bearish move. It needs to cross. Okay, it crossed this level, an area of imbalance where previously there were no buyers present. It needs to beat 742, and then I think I'll add more size if it holds 742. It did not. It failed 740. So do we make a new plan? It failed 742, so we go short at 739. I don't know. The stop loss is triggered. This is the price that I should have gone long at. 739. I'll try taking some partials at 741. Not exactly TP. And SL right below the previous low. Let's go long 200 again. So this is something I should accommodate in the future next time, is that when a stock is trying to move down, it's going to have some momentum. We need to be able to absorb that momentum. Am I trying to fade the stock? No, I'm not trying to fade. But yeah, I am technically trading a reversal. It needs to beat this area. This actually needs to beat this area, the 741.2 area. Brother said that don't try to catch the lows. Try to catch the trends. So for now, it's showing very. There was no push. What is the volume coming in? The volume is what? Volume is very low here. Any divergences? No. Session delta. Okay. Very bullish strength, but that failed to impress us in any way. So I lighten my load here, I guess. Okay, wow. Yeah, I'll lighten my load here. Let's. How much did we lose in the previous move? We lost 511. Wow. Thanks to horrible entry, of course. View app is trying to stop, trying to pause the move. Interesting. Um, it needs to hold above 742 for us to add more size. If it holds above 742, I'll add 200, and then we can ride the momentum all the way to the top. Right, because that is where the problem is. Yeah, this is the problem area. 741 actually. It needs to hold above, or it needs to hold. It needs to cross this area, go to 742. Divergence. Interesting. This dot means that delta was negative, but the candle was green. And this dot means that the delta was positive, but the candle was red. So buyers tried pushing the price up, but they failed. I'm already in position. It needs to break this level. It needs to. We should be seeing a lot of transactions happening at this level, which we are not. We are seeing buyers attempt to push and fail. And delta is fairly positive. So I think I might go short here. Let's go short here. With our SL 354. How much did we make in the previous trade? Huh? Yeah.
It hit the stop.
Yeah.
Then I took one more at 739.
739. Yeah, okay, nice. Same.
Yeah, because I was like, if this goes anticipating 741, then it can go to 739 and then.
And then, yeah.
So I put, but because of what do you call that? Shit, man, spread. Because of spread, I got entry at 740.
Oh. You still must have made some money.
Yeah, I'm still making money.
Even I made money, but now I'm going short again because it's feeling at actually it might hold. If it goes above this level and holds this 741 point, if it goes up and then holds, then it's going to go very long.
Yeah, then it's going to go up.
Because of this area. This area I'll show you. This red area you see, no? This red area is very important because it's showing that buyers do not want to buy in this area. I'll explain the importance later. And this red area you can see here. So the moment it beat this area, no, the previous red area, it jumped. I think you must have seen the stock suddenly jumped up. Why? Because it beat this area. Right now it's trying to beat this area, the 741, 742 area.
Once it beats that?
Yeah. Once it beats that is going to rally. But I am expecting it not to beat now.
There are more sellers?
Yeah, because sellers are being very strong. Sellers are trending actually right now.
Yeah, bro. I even made $40 on my Nike because I was short.
On your?
Nike.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can, like, if you look at the market, there are sellers at
so
745.
So what should I do now? Should I just be done or what?
The market can go anywhere. It was my SL triggered or what?
I guess.
Oh, it was triggered. 280.
So it is going higher.
No, it went a little. I think I put my stop loss too tight, man. It went till 742. Arey yaar. I think I put it too tight.
Yeah, so I put my stop loss at 738 point something.
No, right now I was going short.
No, I'm going high. I'm like, if it beats 739 again, then no.
If it holds above 742, it's long. Go full size, go long. But if it does not, like it's failing 740. Man, I put my stop loss too tight, man. This is the only problem in trading. You can't see.
I got good entry, so I'll just hold in.
Bro.
No, wait for my stop loss to be triggered, bro. Don't trigger के ऊपर जाएगा देख. या फिर नीचे जाएगा.
Now let's see how it's behaving in this area. We need to see same level of buyers or more. We want to see there were 4,175. How many buyers? Yeah, basically
So what do I do now?
it needs to have more than 6,000 buyers. It needs to have 6,000 delta to be to cross this
So I
area.
just take my profit in there.
Are you making any profit?
Yeah.
Then you should have dipped here, no? At 7. At least you should take
Okay,
a partial out.
let it go a bit higher.
Yeah.
And then
You
take my
you can take your partial out and then put your stop loss for the same amount you made and just leave it. You either
Sure.
make 0 today or you make.
No, because I lost 18 already.
You lost 18 already?
Stop loss in the first one. 741.
हाँ आई द सेम जो मैंने स्टॉप लॉस लगाया था ना यही देख के कि मतलब जितना मैंने कमाया उतने का ही लॉस लग रहा है बट आई हैव टेकन लेस साइज देन आई गेस yeah no you did correct bro that was the right move so 743.6 there are sellers there are buyers at 738 interesting Mm, Meta moves a lot but not enough buyers let me see very strong selling. We'll try to sell at where are the sellers at 742. Let it go back up to 742 and then we might try. Okay, buyers tried buying here and they failed. Okay. So let me take small size of 50. Let me short 50 here. Oh, another band. Now do we let it run? What is the DOM suggesting? DOM suggesting possible support at 738. 50 only made me, I think, on capital.com. That would have been even harder. I don't see, but that can also mean that buyers keep restocking. They're trying to buy below the view app as much as possible, not letting the price fall. We want the price to fall at least. Yeah, okay. Made a new low. 739. Quite happy about the new low. 739, 738. Maybe the best it can do 736. It was at. Wait, I need to go to the previous days. Let's quickly visit. Previous days high. 735. 738. So that is. Where should my SL be? Yeah, I'll put my SL here. Might get triggered, but okay. I want this level to fail if I expect it to go down, otherwise you can say that there is no point in participating. Or wait, let's not put everything super tight. Let's just $24 loss is also okay. So it's failing below 742, which is not good. But it can. Where is volume? Volume is slightly low. Well, okay, it was short down. It is touching 737 now. I'm just I don't. I'll take the $50. Now we're just gonna trade it with stop losses. I hope my wait. What happened here? Buyers tried pushing the price up, but they failed, and buyers are trying to absorb some of the selling here. Buyers are shifting down. They move down to 735. That is not the most interesting. What level is seeing? Are we seeing any iceberg, or this is very important here? So let's But it is important to get. Okay, so my this thing was triggered. Stop loss. The question is, do we go short again? What needs to fail? Can't short here. Using trailing stop losses is slightly hard. I will hopefully try and get used to it. Trying to understand bid and ask graph is important, which this doesn't show, which TradingView doesn't show, but it's very important. I want to be able to switch between bid and ask graphs. It's there on TradingView, but sorry, it's there on capital.com, but capital.com is just like ask. But placing an order is just challenge of the century. Okay, we are seeing good aggressive buying at 737. So we can buy here. We can buy at 737. Suppose I want to buy. How do I buy? Buy when price is. Place limit order. I want to buy. Why would that be a stop order? Bro. And where is the fucking order, bro? Capital.com needs to fix it fucking. I'm trying to. Trying to trade a fade. 70 point. And we go long here. Again with small size because the spread is horrible today. No? Or are my entries horrible? I think my entries are horrible today. Not that they're any good some other days. Is this the bid graph or the ask graph? Ask bid. Okay. I was really hoping it crosses in this. It really needs to cross 740.6, which it did. It didn't. Can we get some aggressive buying at this level? Okay. There were certain limit orders here. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Was all of that sold aggressively or what? No. Were they cancelled? I think I'm doing very well for them. People are trying to buy, but the price is not. People are being very aggressive in the 737 area. Then the price ended up moving up where the people lost aggression. So let me pull this down a bit. Just give it some breathing room. Yeah, just let me put that here. And okay. Even all of that aggression failed? What is happening? Okay, saw the desired aggression. I'm not seeing any. Oh, bad timing, huh? I guess I should just stick to using stop losses, trailing stops. I know this is horrible entry. You should not do this. Let's not do it. If you should not do it, then let's not do it. But I would really like to go long here. Let me go tell my brother if he's in position. Let me go tell him. So yeah, I told my brother to buy. He bought, made money. I couldn't because pros don't trade like this. But I am slightly excited. Traded good after a very long time. Anyway, this is the final result. This is what the market looks like. Saving all of this for myself. Chalo, okay. Inshallah, see you tomorrow.